साथ में रखना पड़ेगा 1 लाख रुपए के।
थोड़ा ले जाओ
सादा आपको बोला
थैंक यू
मराठी रोजा चल रहा पिक्चर आया था बोल रही है भाई आगे तो ही for visual for all of you this side thank you right फुल लेफ्ट में यहाँ तीसरा मार्क थर्ड मार्क इधर रखो थोड़ा पोडियम और
जल्दी रख यार
बस बस भाई अंबानी रख के भाई मेरा ही बूम गायब हो गया अरे रुक जा अभी मत रखना
कम साइड यहाँ
इधर
अरे मार्क पे जाऊंगी एक बड़ा हो गया आपका फैन डाउन
हां भाई
थैंक यू सो मच हाय मैम हाय मेरी मैम
अरे अब सब गिरेगा ये ठीक है
आपका हो गया अभी रेडी नहीं है सब लोग Okay. Nothing. I'm really excited. I'm really excited about watching the musical. I'm told it had a fabulous opening in London. I'm here specifically because Siddharth and Saregama have really made it their pilot project, and I'm very interested to know how we've done. Plus, I'm a big fan of Mithun Da and of Bappi Lahiri, and most importantly, Arjun, who's in the lead, has worked on my husband's film, and they are close family friends, so I'm really excited.
Any of your favorite songs?
My God, every song. I'm a disco dancer. Look at me, I'm even wearing shiny, shiny, shiny.
Hi, Shreya. How are you?
Yeah, no.
Yes, hi. Are very excited and what a feel this entire place has, and I think hats off to the management and everything. I think once you enter here, वो 80s वाला feel आ गया. मतलब बप्पी दा याद आ गए completely. ये उन्हीं का gold है शायद.
Music completely होने का ना बप्पी course, it's really nice. I mean, as she said, कि वो पूरा decoration और सारी चीज़ें, it's just reminding of the 1980s and Baprida, and of course, looking forward to the musical at the moment.
Also जो real गाने होते थे यार वो तो 80s में ही होते थे, है कि नहीं?
गाना अगर सिलेक्ट करना हो जो आपका
मिथुन दा
I'm a disco dancer. I mean, that's like Mera Pyar. I think, and I want to see the iconic step to be done on a, you know, on a theater stage, and I think that is really something. That is something that I'm really looking forward to. The iconic Mithunda step. It has to happen.
Do you have any memories of watching this film?
With while growing up, of course. I mean,
she has only been watching films while
films.
growing up. She only
But
loves films.
yeah, I think it was more about dance for me. I think doing the iconic step and kind of trying to kind of perfect it at that point and in that age, that was really something. आज भी try करती हूँ तो थोड़ा बहुत ही आता है. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
तो एक कर लेते एक बाइट कर लेते So firstly, what would you like to say about this production?
Oh, I'm very excited. I can see the whole 80s Bollywood vibe, and to relive that today and see the live theatre, we are very excited. I'm really looking forward.
You must have seen Disco Dancer on the bigger screen, but this time it's a theatrical and musical show. How different is it?
Actually, I have not. हमने टीवी में देखी है तो आई थिंक उस वक्त तो नहीं देखी है बट नाउ यू नो विल गेट टू सी इट लाइव सो आई थिंक दैट्स गोइंग टू बी मोर फन तो क्योंकि तब तो हमने छोटे वाले टीवी में देखी थी यार उस वक्त आई थिंक 80s में एलईडी वगैरह भी नहीं थे सो नाउ इट विल बी गुड फन थैंक यू सो मच
डालो रखना है ये रखना है हाँ अपने में से कम कर एक दो बूम कम कर अरे कौन ये इधर रखना
No, we'll do the show in Canada.
यार ये सब गिर ना जाए
ये गिरेगा
भाई जैसा भी मैनेज कर लो
अब आप बूम मत रख
ये जरूरी है ट्राई करो जितना हो सके ट्राई करो ये आ जाएगा ना यहाँ पे डालो बस इधर ही यहाँ पे तेरे सामने
भाई गिरेगा इंडिया टीवी किधर सर पे रखा भाई गिरेगा वो
पकड़ो नहीं इधर से
गिरेगा हाँ अरे वो गिर रहा है भाई मेरा अपना वाला बैग रख ये बैग मत रख फ्लैट बैग रख मेरा वाला फ्लैट है वो रख अरे इंडिया टीवी ये ना नहीं दिख रहा है भाई गिरेगा ये हटा पूरा हटा ना एक से रुक जाओ
पीछे इसका पैर में गिरेगा
अरे वो गिरेगा मैं छोड़ेगा ना गिर जाऊंगा आन दो
आप लोग कर लो पहले
मत रख अभी गिरेगा सब गिर जाएगा भाई ऊपर गिरेगा बोल रहा हूँ गिरेगा
चलिए ठीक है नो प्रॉब्लम
अरे नहीं गिरेगा कुछ मैं पकड़ के बात करती हूँ
गिरेगा
This is like that game. Why you was sitting so nicely?
They are only telling.
अभी रुको हाँ
यस
अरे पैसा नहीं आएगा मेरे
अरे मेरा पीटीआई निकाल दे
हो गया अभी ये वाइट कर लेते हैं मैम what would you like to say about this production?
I'm really excited. I'm really excited to watch the musical. I have grown up watching theatre and musicals, and I feel like India needs so much more of this. Every time we travel abroad, we'll end up watching something, and I'm so happy that this has come here. So congratulations to the team of Saregama. Siddharth, I'm always your cheerleader, so I'm really, really excited to watch this. And Salim Suleiman, they're just like fabulous.
Shana, we've always came seeing the popular songs on TV screens, but this time it's gonna be musical and theatrical.
Yes.
What difference you gonna observe when?
I don't know. I'll observe it and I'll come back and tell you guys. I'll have to. I am a disco dancer. Yeah, I mean, obviously I'm here and it's disco dancer, so that song is like playing in my head. Okay, thank you.
ये इंडिया टीवी
ये सदा मेरा भी रोल कर
ये पीटीआई हटा देते हैं।
अपना रखो।
ये लेके जाओ। हाँ क्या दिन आ गया बताओ, इतने बड़े इवेंट में ऐसा करना पड़ रहा है।
चलो अब सेकंड
रुक जा।
आगे रख और आगे फिसल रहा भाई इधर ही
रुक ना, इसको यहाँ लगा देना। ये देख, ये हटा दे।
यहाँ पे
आजा
Bye, thank you.
इसका ना
बस 2 सेकंड ऐसे रुको बोला मैं नहीं मैम लेफ्ट ओके ठीक है एक विजुअल यहाँ भाई विजुअल
ठीक है
आ जाइए एक वो आज की शाम को लेके क्या कुछ कहना चाहोगे, कितने ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड?
बहुत म्यूजिकल्स तो हम दोनों ही म्यूजिकल के बहुत फैंस हैं एंड दिस इज़ द अल्टीमेट वेरी हैप्पी फॉर अर्जुन जो जिमी का रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं राइट प्लेइंग या वेरी एक्साइटेड
इट्स गोना बी वेरी फ्रेश थिंग फॉर मी क्योंकि मैंने एक्चुअली ओरिजिनल मूवी देखी नहीं है सो मेरे लिए एकदम से फ्रेश एक्सपीरियंस होगा सो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट बट आई हैव सीन अर्जुन ट्रेनिंग फॉर दिस वो मेरे जिम आता है हम लोग साथ में ट्रेन करते हैं सो आई हैव सीन हिम ट्रेनिंग फॉर दिस प्ले एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर टू वॉच हिम ऑन स्टेज डू द रोल दैट ही इज बीन ट्रेनिंग फॉर यस
कौन से सबसे फेवरेट सॉन्ग आपको लगता है?
हम स्टेज पे साथ में गाते हैं ना हाँ ये तो है हाँ
बहुत सारे गाने हैं यार एक तो
I am a disco dancer so very excited
बहुत गाने हैं
thank you
थैंक यू
bye
both of you now your first camera look at left so यहाँ पे सर यहाँ देखिए सर यहाँ पे सर बाद में इधर लेफ्ट में सेकंड लेफ्ट Thank you. Just a few words for our viewers. That.
Mukesh sir, you come. Mukesh sir.
हाँ जी
You come from from the era of the greatest music, greatest hits. So how is it to relive this?
It's a very emotional moment for anyone who's been associated with Indian films and their music, and especially a tribute to Bapida is very heartening. It's very beautiful, a great thing to do. I'm sure it's going to be a super duper hit. And yes, like you said, I come from an era when music was king, and I hope everybody will enjoy this show as I will too. Thank you.
Neil, a few words from you also, please.
No, I think I'll just second what my father said, but I just want to maybe add to what he just said, that we've come from an era where music was king, where music is still the king. Because I feel that music that was created then, it still lives with us very strongly today, and I feel that no song can recreate the magic that was created back then. And Bapida, has contributed so beautifully to the music industry. We dance to his tunes even now, and needless to say, I'm already kind of moving.
Do you have any memories while growing up because you come from a music family and also
Right.
any memories while listening to these songs and seeing Mithun Chakravarti dance?
Of course, I don't think there's anybody out here who wouldn't remember those moves, wouldn't remember those songs, wouldn't remember the era. So, like I said, needless to say, I'm really excited for the evening today. It's going to be a spectacular evening. And congratulations to Saregama, to Sunil sir, to Anna, to everybody who's come and has created this magic for all of us. And it's such a big honor to walk this red carpet for Bapida in his memory.
Last one song of Bapida you would love to dance to on screen in the film.
I think, what do you say? Which one?
Ooh la la, ooh la.
Maybe.
I've sung
Maybe.
some serious songs of his, but ooh la la, like you said, you want some song on which you can dance. I thought of
Yeah, the
Ooh La
male
La at
version of
once.
Ooh La La maybe. Lovely.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. Yeah. Come here. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, dude, this. Sister. हाँ जी सर. Okay, supremely excited. बपीदा के लिए ये एक ट्रिब्यूट है. सुनील शेट्टी जी इन्वॉल्व है, सलीम सुलेमान इन्वॉल्व है. हमको डिस्को पहनने का, वी गो बैक टू द 80s. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली ब्रिलियंट. आई कैन नॉट वेट. बहुत शानदार शाम होने वाली है आज.
आपका फेवरेट सॉन्ग
I mean, Jimmy Jimmy comes to mind, but अगर आप मुझसे all time favorite पूछे, मेरा disco one is जिस पे वो viral हुआ था, मैं से मीना से न सा, वो वाला. Thank you guys, have a good night.
Your Dalan ma'am, your left.
ऐसे रखो ना, वो जो जगह है ना, हाँ, वो जगह पे अंदर बात कर. ऐसा रखो तो गिरेगा.
Thank you.
मैम
Yes.
How does it feel आज बपीदा की याद में आज एक म्यूजिकल शो रखा गया है for it. How does it feel?
इनफैक्ट जब हम जस्ट एंटर कर रहे थे और मैंने देखा 80s Bollywood, I was just telling Percy, I said, I mean, I'm feeling really blessed and so happy and so thrilled to be here because Bapida was somebody I really admired. I loved his music. As a kid, I think I remember Disco Dancer. We must have watched at least, I don't know how many times. I've lost the count. So I've loved his music, and today it's going to be a grand event, I'm sure, and we're just going to love it.
Absolutely.
Any of the specific song which you would like to have a vibe on it on Bapida?
Bapida is one song that I really love, and definitely want to dedicate this to Percy. Dil mein ho tum, यादों में तुम, बोलो तुम्हें कैसे चाहूं. A different song by Bapida. You know, he was always known for his disco and his disco numbers, but I think this number just really killed it. I love this number.
Thank you.
So, thank you.
so much.
Thank you.
मैम आज की शाम को लेके क्या कहना चाहोगे?
I'm very excited because this is a very unique concept in India especially. तो डिस्को डांसर को पूरा हम 80s के म्यूज़िक को रिवाइव करते हुए देखेंगे और वो भी एज अ लाइव प्रॉपर्टी. आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी एक्साइटिंग बिकॉज द प्रोडक्शन वैल्यू ऑफ दिस एंटायर शो इज़ जस्ट स्पेक्टेकुलर एंड आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. I think the name says it all. I'm a disco dancer and I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
धन्यवाद. Come. Bite you क्या? यहाँ. Bite किया. Thank you. Thank you.
Milap, you always supported old school style of movies, old school style of music, so this must be really special to you, right?
Where do I look? There. Yeah, well, it's great to be here. This is commercial mass entertainment at its best. Disco dancer, grown up on the film, on Bappi sir's music, Mithun Das' great performance, and it's so great that Sunil Shetty sir has brought this to Mumbai for everybody. And I just wish B. Subhash sir was also there, and he could have seen this spectacle of his film on the stage, and really excited for Disco Dancer, and I'm really excited to watch it.
And any song of Disco Dancer you would like to recreate in your film, in your movie?
Well, I love Jimmy Jimmy. I love I Am a Disco Dancer, but my favorite song is Goro Ki Na Kalo Ki Duniya Hai Dilwalo Ki. I would love to recreate that at some point.
Have you also been inspired from this sort of a music, which Bappi Da created? Because even as a writer, you love creating Marsi dialogues and all of that. And this music is as Marsi as it gets. There's nobody who doesn't like it.
Yeah, well, I love this kind of music. I mean, my own Satyamev Jayate hai Dilbar, which was retro, but it was completely today's music done. Then there was Pyar Do Pyar Lo in Marjava, and I would love to have music like Bappi Das. I mean, till now, Oolala, which he composed for Dirty Picture, is still a blockbuster, and I love his music. I love this kind of music. Thank you. अरे सर
हाँ जी.
यार वो मिलाप सर ने इतना कुछ बोला यार, मैं उतना बोल नहीं पाऊंगा. जी क्या बोलूं बताइए.
सर दिस म्यूजिकल एक शो रखा गया बप्पी जी की याद में. व्हाट ऑल यू हैव टू से फ्रॉम योर साइड?
यार मैं तो डिस्को की ही जनरेशन की पैदाइश हूँ, सो आई एम that era's kids जहाँ पे disco was coming up, and so we have all grown up listening to disco. So it's kind of reliving your childhood again, listening to this musical today. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
ANI पे रख दिया यार. किस पे रखा? ABP पे रख दिया है. हाँ.
मैंने बोला ना क्लोज पे डाल दो.
Hello. Say something. Disco dance.
Ma'am, what would you like to say about the night disco dance?
I think it's a wonderful thing that we are looking at the 80s again, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I'm going to. Thank you.
Ma'am, you were from the era when music, वैसा music अभी आता ही नहीं है. So what do you have to say? Because I think you will relive some memories, right?
I think, you know what, we had a good time. And I think that now you guys are also going to have a good time. So I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Favorite songs that you still hear?
What?
Favorite songs that you still hear over the years?
I hear all of them.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
What would you like to say about the night disco dancer?
I think it's a lovely thing that Saregama is doing. I'm so impressed that we're having an Indian musical like this that's coming up. Disco Dancer is a legendary film, and Bapida's music is a definite sound. So it's amazing. I look forward to it.
Do you have any memories growing up listening to your mother's music also, and of course this era of music?
I have a lot of memories of Bapida in particular because he worked so closely with my father. I think it's just his sound that's so legendary, and I think I still remember that moment when Mitunda's on stage and he starts that movement of Disco Dancer, and we were so young and we saw it and we were like, oh my god, this is the best thing ever. So definitely a lot of memories and a lot of nostalgia, and I think what Saregama is doing is amazing. I look forward to it.
Thank you so much.
सर के साथ कल इधर ये इसका सर एक साथ में विजुअल्स कर लेते पहले वाइट ही कर लेते सर आज की शाम काफी यूनिक होने वाली है डिस्को डांसर आप क्या कहना चाहोगे आज की शाम को लेके एंड थैंक्स टू यू बिग थैंक्स टू यू
नहीं कोशिश यही है कि 80s को रीलिव करे हमारे म्यूज़िक को रीलिव करे हमारी बॉलीवुड को रीलिव करे यू नो एंड द लेजेंडरी बबीदा की म्यूज़िक और मिथुंदा के लिए रुके हुए हैं नया टैलेंट को मौका मिल रहा है विच इज़ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट ऑफ दिस शो ये एक डाइंग फॉर्म है डाइंग इसलिए क्योंकि सिंगिंग डांसिंग एक्टिंग साथ में करना बहुत मुश्किल है टैलेंट मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है लेकिन बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा किया और सारेगामा यू नो ऑलवेज हैज़ द बेस्ट ऑफ म्यूज़िक हमेशा कोशिश उनकी यही रही है कि नए टैलेंट को प्रमोट करे तो सुपर एक्साइटेड दैट आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस जर्नी यू नो फॉर द यूथ फॉर द इंडस्ट्री
Sunil sir, Bapida is obviously one of the greatest ever. Were you a diehard fan? That's why you chose Bapida particularly for this?
Because this is an iconic film, probably the only film जहाँ सारे गाने सुपर हिट्स है सारे गाने ऐसे गाने जो आप डांस कर सकते हो आप रिएक्ट कर सकते हो एंड आई एम होपिंग कि वो ऑडियंस भी ऐसे ही रिएक्ट करे क्योंकि वैसा ही बच्चों ने परफॉर्म किया हुआ है एंड आई थिंक इवन आहान इज हियर बिकॉज ऑफ द एसेंस ऑफ द म्यूजिक यू नो
Ahan, tell us any Bapilari song that you would love to probably dance in a recreation in a movie of this.
I mean, I can't just say one song. I think there's so many songs. Definitely, hopefully, you know, being able to work with Saregama soon, bring that music together, and just excited to be here to watch the show.
It's such a great combination because Bapida के गाने सुने या मिथुंदा को परफॉर्म करते देखे because दोनों एक दूसरे को टक्कर देते हैं. So you know, what has been your experience while actually witnessing this sort of thing?
I think even for all of us, you know, a film that probably in the 80s did 100 crore business. Where have you ever heard of? One could have. You're talking about a 2,000 crore film today. You know, insane, and still the magic is there. Even with kids, you know, reacting to Jimmy Jimmy and all the songs that are brilliant.
Thank you.
Vijay, I want to take.